funny thing about this gun is, I just looked up a Revolver reference on like Pinterest or something, but I recently bought a Nerf gun off of TikTok Shop that looks like a futuristic looking revolver. And it wasn't even to use it. Like, I loaded it up and fired it once, and I'm like, I don't really care to use it, but I want to use it as a reference for like what his gun should look like.
That's nice. That's
So
cool.
that's something that I consider sometimes when I buy things. Is I'm like, could I use this in an art piece in the future?
If you just wanted the Nerf gun, it's okay, man.